Benefits and uses of argan oil with source. Benefits: contains essential nutrients, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, may boost heart health, may have benefits for diabetes, may have anti-cancer effects, may reduce signs of skin aging, may treat some skin conditions, may promote wound healing, often used to treat and prevent stretch marks, sometimes used to treat acne. Cococare, Natural Moroccan Argan Oil Review. Description: Argan oil is a perfect nutrient for skin and hair. Expeller pressed to ensure natural qualities. 100% Moroccan argan oil nourishes both skin and hair. This lightweight oil is easily absorbed and offers therapeutic effects that will soften, soothe and prevent dry skin. Use daily to condition both your hair and scalp, help control split ends and add shine and luster to your hair. Suggested use: apply small amount and massage gently onto skin and hair. Other ingredients: argan oil, Argania spinosa kernel oil. Warnings: for external use only. Keep away from children. Avoid contact with eyes. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.